nothing to do on a brisk autumn day, bored little Natalia went outside to play. Amidst piles of leaves, she jumped without care. Poor little Natalia encountered a bear.
Mama! What is it, my winner? A bear from the woods tried to make me his dinner.
With sheet metal, spikes, and rivets to boot, Natalia's mother concocted a new bear-proof suit.
Go out if you must, do what you must do, but heed my advice. Nature hates you.
With a clank and a hop, Natalia set out. Armed against bears, she let loose a shout. Natalia felt safe. Though bears can be frightening, she didn't realize metal attracts lightning.
Mama.
What happened, little love?
Lightning from the sky, an attack from above.
With rubber and webbing and latex and foam, Natalia's mother devised a lightning-proof dome.
Go out if you must, do what you must do, but heed my advice. Nature hates you.
With a squeak and a stretch and a clank and a hop, Natalia was stubborn. She could not be stopped. No bears could attack, no lightning would rumble. When the flash flood hit, top-heavy Natalia did tumble.
Mama.
Are you okay?
The waters, they rose. They swept me away.
With concrete and iron, with chisel and glue, Natalia's mother crafted 2 anchor-like shoes.
Go out if you must, do what you must do, but heed my advice. Nature hates you.
With a thud and a thwomp, a squeak and a stretch, a clank and a hop, she wasn't done yet. The anchor shoes stuck deep into the ground. It felt like an hour before Mother came round.
Mama.
Having trouble, I see.
I have discovered nature hates me.
With a crowbar, a chainsaw, and a laser, you see, Natalia's mother set Natalia free. A fire, a laboratory, hot chocolate, a nook. Who needs the outdoors when you've got a good book? We try to take care of what we can affect, but nobody wins when we overprotect.